Good afternoon. This is for my MBA for portfolio for email management. We will start with uh, in my Gmail. I will start with the labeling uh, labeling of emails according to company policies and priorities. We will go to settings and see all settings, and we will go to the stars and which will enable us to use all so in order to use all different more options to use for communicate the labels of an email, we should use all stars and save. And here is an example of how you could change the the label of an email according to company policy or communication or priority. And it will uh, for that is for better email management. And here we are creating a new label in order to to organize our emails according to according to the uses uh, clients and tasks and departments. As of the previous portfolio, we can also change its label color in order for it to be seen easily and for a more professional and organized look. Here we can also uh, sub nest folders or as labels in the Gmail environment. In order to better organize, and in order to for better retrievals of records and for future use, and for better organized storing of emails and data. the, there, and we will put emails, move emails in order to in order for better organize for a more organized and professional look, and to prevent confusion when looking for records. Here we will our next task would be to look for is vacation response emails, or for in case the 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 person that the email is addressing to is not present at the office. So we uh, uh, we would we should in order to immediately, so because no one would reply, we would automate our response in order response in order to to reply immediately, for in order to in order to the our the sender of our message to be notified immediately, so they can send they can send another email like that we are not in the office that day. It is important to be polite and professional and direct in order to respect the sender our colleagues that are sending us an email. uh, Save. Now we will we will make an we will make an email signature for for our to make to give legitimacy and for more professional look about our emails, uh, about our emails. Stand to the We're using HubSpot because they have a they have an easy, they don't need an account in order to send to create email an email signature. And there, you can also create uh, uh, you could use Google Drive is now unable to use to be used in HubSpot. So uh, we should be better off without using without using our picture for the meantime. It's better to look for other email signature apps in the internet. But HubSpot is good enough if you don't plan to use to use a picture. And here we are, and using the signature save changes when I made the mistake. So to test, here here it is. It should drop for now. um, that oh wait, for scheduled send, this is for to time the in order to time our emails, in order to respect the time that the recipient of our emails could come to work or read his or her emails. We should use a scheduled send. Yes, view message. And for our task, in order to in order to to organize what are what our clients and our client or our boss or our superior would and to organize our work to be to in our emails for the working day, and we should mark completed if we ever send scheduled email. And if we ever completed it, you can always undo that. Thank you very much. That is my submission for the portfolio for email management email management. So thank you very much, and see you in the next task.